Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard, glad you could join me today. On today's video, since this is my big welcome back to YouTube, after it's been a couple weeks since y'all seen me last. If you've been on my Instagram, you know what's been going down with me. But if not, you might want to get there. I'm feeling a little bit better today, so let's see how it goes. In today's video, we're going to use a homegrown Louisiana product. We're going to use Dr. Bill's cane and maple syrup, made right here in Louisiana. It's got a full serving of vitamin D in it. It's 100% vegan and gluten-free. It's got no corn syrup, added preservatives, flavors, or any of that other junk. Tastes great. We're also going to use some SUCKLEBUSTERS hog wild or rib rub on some ribs to make up some sticky ribs. So let's go ahead and get started. These honey maple ribs smell phenomenal. That SUCKLEBUSTERS just did the trick there. Plus the maple syrup that we use. Oh yeah, let's cut into it. Trying to follow along with the bone here. There we go. Take a look. Oh yeah. Go ahead and take that bite. Oh yeah. Nice and sticky, moist and juicy. And maple glaze over top of it. Even my geese like it. Just tastes phenomenal. You got to get you some of this Dr. Bill's maple syrup. Give it a try. Just tastes phenomenal. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.